we're going to play a little interlude on the guitar, and we're going to use that as our next experiment. And we're just going to go to audio. We're going to do a recording, and let's go. All right, so I'm going to hit save. And when this is done, we are going to have fun with the lyrics. Let me go ahead and put this in there. The style, we're going to say Bossa Nova. Now, I want to make this a more robust style, a much better style. So let's see if I can find something in my supersizer. And to world, I'm going to copy this. And we're going to make it a kind of mashup, a world mashup, okay? All right, I've kind of cooked some sort of prompt, and I'm just going to call it Bossa. I'm going to hit create. All right, let's check out what Suno has produced.
Music in motion, music breathe. Get rid of that notion that you cannot create.
Crazy.
Music in motion.
Seriously, I have a question to ask you. How do you compete with a crazy animal like this? The answer, you don't. You don't compete. You gotta collaborate.
Collaborator crumble. Ooh, ooh. Like apple crumble.
Don't crumble. Sign up for Suno today.